So guys, for the first step, you're going to head over to search and type in system configuration. Click on it. And then once you're on this, you're going to click on the boot tab. And now you're going to tick safe boots. And then click on OK. And then click on restart. It's now going to restart a computer and then take us into safe mode. And then once you're in safe mode, you're going to head over to search and type in File Explorer. Click on it. And then once you're on this, on the left hand side, you're going to scroll down and then click on this PC. Now you want to find your Windows drive. For me, it's going to be my C drive. I'm going to click on that. And now you're going to click on Program Data. If you don't see Program Data here, then you're going to click on View, and then click on Show, and then click on Hidden Items. You should now be seeing Program Data. Double click on it, and then click on Microsoft. We're going to scroll down, and then click on Windows Defender. And now we're going to click on Scans, and then click on History, and then click on Service. We're going to delete everything in this folder. So you're going to do Control A on your keyboard, and then click on Delete. Delete everything in the Service folder. And now for the last step, you just want to restart your computer. It's going to take you back to normal Windows, and then the problem should be fixed.